Hey guys, it's Nick and Maria, your independent Chalk Couture designer, and I'm going a little old school today, just for a quick hot minute because this really big, beautiful box has arrived in my house, and I have been waiting for this box. I can't even begin to tell you how long I've been waiting for this box, probably since I joined the company. So I want to open it with you because I thought if I was going to open it, I would share it with you guys. So I'm going to try to open up a box with one hand and hold the camera in the other hand. But what this is it's the Verity Chalkboard, which is a statement piece chalkboard. This is not an inexpensive chalkboard by any stretch of the imagination, but it is gorgeous from what I have seen. I've never seen one in person, and it is beautiful. Oh, maybe I have seen them in person at the thing, but I now own my very own one. So hey, Carol, open up this box with me, Carol, because this is going to be, I hope, a really pretty chalkboard. So I'm going to try to do this and not make you guys seasick. It is my super cool chalkboard. Okay, so we're actually in my dining room today because I don't think I can get this box downstairs and open it in a way that you guys would be able to see it. So I'm hoping that I can do all of this with you. My kids are playing a game and they're being really loud. So now I actually have to say, I thought this box was going to be way heavier than it was. Oh goodness. Okay, let's try to not make you seasick here. Look at the detail. Oh, I'm loving it already. Okay, I gotta figure out how to get this bubble wrap off with one hand. I'm gonna flip her over. So this chalkboard is porcelain steel, which is like, hang on, I'm gonna grab my cutter thing again, which is like the best. I'm trying not to make you seasick. I'm sorry, Carol. So let me flip you around while I cut this open so you don't have to watch me. So what that is, here, I'm gonna set you down really quick. Hopefully you can still see me. What a porcelain steel chalkboard is obviously it's steel that they coat with a porcelain. And they have taped this sucker together. Oops, and I'm dropping it, sorry. Really, really well. So I'm trying to get you open. Lots of bubble wrap on here. But I've been waiting for this chalkboard. Don't you love how I'm just like totally backing away at this, trying to get it open? Alright, so I think I have it enough to get it out of the It came all by itself. Because I had ordered other things, and wait till you see the transfer I bought to put on this. And if I get an opportunity, this will be the project that we make tonight, because I have been waiting for this. Okay, so it's out of the bubble wrap now. So I'm going to flip you around so you can see it. So it's a big chalkboard. It is 24 by 18 by 24 is its size. And look at these corners of this chalkboard. This is what I think makes it so beautiful. So it's a wood frame. But check out the detail on these corners. It's a wood frame that is distressed, so it does have that, you know, sanded down look to it. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So I'll walk you here where I think I'm gonna put this thing. So I actually bought this to put in my own house. It's really hard for me to show it to you. Okay, we'll take a little walk in my house and I'll show you. So this is kind of like my front entranceway, and I think I'm going to put it on an easel right there so that it welcomes my guests when they come to my house. So I'm going to try to get down here now. Oh, my old knees. I'm never getting back up, ladies. We power washed all day, so I'm in sad shape today. But look at the detail on this thing. So I want to zoom you into the corner one more time. Look at that. So this is a statement piece chalkboard that they brought out of retirement, and they're only while quantities last, and it is gorgeous. I mean, it is like a real chalkboard. It's magnetic. It's so any of our E size, any transfer we have will fit on here, but it's made proportionately for the E size transfers. And it's gorgeous, so I wanted to share with you. Oh, it's lovely. It is a statement piece. It's a $140 chalkboard, so it's not for the faint of heart, but it's going to be worth every single penny here in my entranceway so that it can greet my guests when they walk in to my home. And because it fits all the transfers, what I'm going to do is I will change it seasonally. So tonight's transfer is kind of a universal transfer. It's a transfer that, here, I'll flip you around. Hopefully my house isn't messy behind me. I didn't think about that before I went live. But tonight's is a universal transfer. It's a transfer that I was really hoping that they were going to bring out of retirement, and they did kind of bring it out of retirement. The original transfer was a smaller size, and they created it in an E size when they brought it back. So it is the dandelion transfer that says, may your wishes come true with the dandelions. So that's what we're going to put on it tonight. And then I was hoping it was going to come out of the vault tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., but they brought it actually back, just in a bigger transfer. So it's not going to be, I doubt, sincerely doubt, it'll be one of the 5 that come out of the vault tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. But I'm going to flip you around and give you one more quick look at my beautiful chalkboard in my foyer. If I can push the button and actually have it move. There we go. And look, it's big. I mean, it's almost the same size as the piece of furniture that's next to it. That's a big, beautiful chalkboard. Holy cow. So we will create on it later tonight, and I will be back at you, and we'll make some wishes come true, and we'll put it on that really pretty chalkboard. So thanks for watching me. Thanks for enjoying opening up my box with me, because I had to share it with my friends. I couldn't just open this big old thing by myself. Have a great afternoon. I'll be back at you later.